Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for September 17th, 2014. We're in the middle of the week, Wednesday, and from here on out, we head towards the weekend. And it's going to be actually a very nice weekend on the way. Nice couple of days, in fact, with high pressure and control and tranquil, cool weather conditions in place. Currently, right now, as of 7:23 a.m., we have temperatures ranging from the upper 30s to lower 40s over the far northern interior. Mid-40s over much of the rest of the interior and northwestern suburbs of Philadelphia and New York City. Over the western suburbs of Philadelphia and New York City, temperatures range from the upper 40s to lower 50s, and we have lower to mid-50s right along the coast. Generally, temperatures are averaging near to slightly below normal for this time of year with light and variable winds and clear skies. We have some fog still over portions of northern New Jersey up through the Hudson River Valley, but that will dissipate in the next 2 hours. High pressure is in control throughout the entire Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area and will remain in control through the rest of this week into much of this weekend. And then we have the remnants of Odell and a cold front coming in from the west coast that will combine to produce periods of rain by the time we get to Monday. But that is far off for now. Expect tranquil weather conditions all the way through Sunday. Taking a look at the radar, really not much going on around here. Clear skies, of course, means there's not much going on the radar. And on the latest infrared satellite picture, you can see high pressure in full control here. We have that stationary cold front now down to the southeast, and this is going to be an interesting factor as we move in towards Monday, as the remnants of our tropical storm over the southwest slowly moves through the southeast and towards the northern mid-Atlantic, and another wave of low pressure starts to develop over the southeastern coastal waters. Be interesting to see how these two features interact by the time we get to Monday. Models are varying a little bit on exactly what happens with those low pressure systems, but there is potential for a nice little rain event by the time we get to Monday as these two systems interact. And we can see that very nicely on the water vapor satellite picture. Again, here's our disturbance. That will be a player by the time we get to Monday. We have a deep trough over the eastern United States. One hurricane is heading out into the Atlantic. This is Hurricane Edward. That will have no impact on us other than to enhance the 500 millibar pattern over North America. And then we have these disturbances lingering to the north of the Bahamas that we have to watch out for the early part of next week, and then the tropical moisture over the southwest. So we have a lot of players here for a very quiet weather pattern. And by the time we get to Sunday night through Monday, how these different features interact will be a very important part to the start of next week and the forecast thereafter. So let's use the latest GFS model again from the Penn State EWOL website. Again, for today and for tomorrow, high pressure is in control with clear skies to sky cloud cover. Temperatures will average near to slightly below normal, looking at upper 60s to lower 70s in the New York City metropolitan area, lower to mid 70s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area for highs on both days, today and tomorrow. Low temperatures will range from the lower to mid 40s over the far northern interior, upper 40s to lower 50s over the western suburbs of Philadelphia and New York City, and lower to mid 50s along the immediate coast for lows. By the time we get to Saturday, or should I say Friday, and really Saturday as well, we can move forward to there too. High pressure remains in control. Clear skies, comfortable weather conditions. On Friday, we have temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 40s for lows over the interior. A couple lower 40s possibly mixed in there as well. Low temperatures along the coast on Friday will range from the lower to mid 50s. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 60s over the interior, upper 60s to lower 70s over the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. I would not be surprised if New York City on Friday is stuck around 68, 67 degrees, while Philadelphia pushes to about 70. It's going to be a rather cool day on Friday. However, on Saturday, with the high pressure system shifting off the coast, we'll have more of a easterly wind in place, so temperatures will be slightly warmer. We're looking at lower to mid 50s for lows throughout much of the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. High temperatures in the mid 70s. By the time we get to Sunday, that high pressure system is off the coast, and we have that interaction developing between a very strong polar jet, a polar trough, Very impressive disturbance. Here's the remnants of Odell. Here, of course, is that disturbance that is festering to the north of the Bahamas. And again, there's some question on how these features interact. And so I want you to keep an open mind on what could happen here Sunday night and Monday with the potential for a more robust rain event than what some of the models are showing at this time. So for Sunday, I'm looking for clear skies, tranquil weather conditions through the morning hours. By the time we get to Sunday afternoon and evening, clouds will start to increase. Temperatures on Sunday with more of an influence from the Atlantic will range from the upper 50s to lower 60s for lows. High temperatures, I'm staying in the mid to upper 70s. I know some model guidance is pushing into the 80s, but if we're having increasing cloud cover and we have winds starting to come off the Atlantic, I think that's going to keep us a little bit cooler. Could see temperatures push 80, 81 degrees, let's say, to the west of Philadelphia, away from that oceanic influence. So then we watch these two disturbances interact for Sunday into Monday and see exactly how they combine and interact here. Again, some and some model guidance has a little bit more robust rainfall threat for Monday morning than others, but you can see the potential here lining up here, depending on how these two areas of moisture interact. GFS keeps them separate with a dry air ribbon in between them. However, other models basically phase these two and bring a nice little rainfall event right along the coast and basically from the Delaware River on east. So we're going to watch that and see how that evolves on Monday. Temperatures will range from the upper 50s to lower 60s for lows. And because of the potential for rainfall, I'm going below MOS guidance for Monday and staying in the lower to mid 70s. By the time we get to Tuesday and next Wednesday, high pressure is in control. Canadian high pressure, cool high pressure, and that means our temperatures fall back to below normal levels, with low temperatures on Tuesday and Wednesday in the upper 30s to lower 40s over the interior, mid to upper 40s over the western suburbs of Philadelphia and New York City, and upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. High temperatures in the mid to upper 60s in the New York City metropolitan area, and upper 60s to lower 70s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.